for today's forecast. The fog was there this morning, as we can see behind you.
Yes.
It's going to lift. We have rain in the mix tomorrow.
Right.
But, you know, for us, at least, the rain was nice. Some areas of the tri-state last night saw some nasty weather, too.
Yes, lots of nasty weather out there yesterday. Today is kind of a gloomy start like you guys were talking about out there. You might want to stay in bed this morning because it's going to feel pretty gloomy if you head out there. Still some fog out there in the area. Again, that's going to start to lift now. Those dense fog advisories have been lifted out of our area, so we're staying mostly clear in terms of that fog out there, but still have some lingering patchy fog for the moment. And then we have some more rain coming into the forecast for our Wednesday. This is what it's looking like on our visibility tracker. You can see some places still seeing less than half a mile visibility there. CVG about a mile visibility, so it's clearing up some from where it was early this morning here. This is what it's looking like on radar, though. Just take a look at a few of those storms that are in our area for the time being. A few of those stronger there, pushing over the area right now, right over the Ohio River for the moment. For our weather timeline here, this is what we're looking like in terms of our Tuesday. We have those evening showers and storms out there. 78 degrees is our high temperature. Mother Nature really is giving us those fall-like conditions out there in terms of temperature, but we have that rainfall to go along with it. This is what it's looking like out there. 8 a.m. still some lingering showers, and then we'll see a few of those bigger storms pop up right around noon, and then we'll continue to see some of those pop-up storms throughout the early afternoon and into the evening hours here. I can give you some more on that exact timing coming up in my full forecast ahead. Well, it is a little bit of a gloomy day out there, so you might want to stay in bed, bundle up, you know, just take in the gloomy weather a little bit on this Tuesday here. Tomorrow is a first alert weather day, though, and again, if you want to stay indoors, cozy up, it's a great day to do so, but you might not be able to here, and you might have to get out there. It's going to be cloudy for the next couple of hours here, 75 degrees by noon. You can see we're going to warm up into the upper 70s there, so it's going to be pretty warm by the afternoon. We'll definitely have some rain chances in there. Might just not be picking up on them there in that forecast, but we do have a first alert weather day for tomorrow due to some strong storms and flooding possible into the next couple of days here. So we're going to continue to monitor some rainfall coming in. So we have some occasional showers and storms moving in. And again, this is going to be throughout the morning and afternoon hours on our Wednesday, very early morning on Wednesday as well. And our major threat with this is going to be some flooding as well as some damaging wind gusts. The Storm Prediction Center has highlighted us in a marginal risk once again for severe weather. So we can go ahead and take a look at that risk here. We can't rule out the small possibility of a spin-up tornado out there. Our wind threat and our flood threat are going to be one of our biggest for this event moving forward here. So we can go ahead, track that out for you moving through our weather timeline. Noon today, we have some spotty showers out there. You can see a few of those populate there right before that 3 p.m. hour. A lot of people staying dry throughout the afternoon, though, and into the evening hours, you can see a few more lingering around out there. We'll clear up, and then here is the big bulk of our storms for our Wednesday. This is just midnight, so we'll see those storms start moving on in 3 a.m. Lots of people seeing rainfall, a few heavier pockets of some storms there. Again, morning commute tomorrow going to be affected by some of these showers and storms pushing through the area. We'll continue to see storms 10 a.m., even moving into the early afternoon hours as well. So we'll see rain all day long, much like we saw yesterday. And this is what we're looking like in terms of rainfall over the next several days here. Some places seeing about half an inch, maybe people seeing upwards of an inch to 2 inches, depending on if you're in one of those heavier pockets of storms. But this morning we had that fog, pretty dreary day. First alert weather day for tomorrow. Storm chances continue into Thursday. We'll start to see a lot more sunshine on the way as we enter the weekend ahead.